Click cell B21. The defined name for this cell, displayed in the name box to the left of the formula bar, is net_income_2020. You want to edit this name. Click the Formulas tab on the ribbon. In the Defined Names group, click the Name Manager button. The Name Manager dialog box opens, listing the existing defined names in the workbook. In the list of defined names, click net_income. You will edit this name. In the Name Manager dialog box, click Edit. The Edit Name dialog box opens. In the Edit Name dialog box, type results_2020 in the Name text box. Click OK. The name has been changed to results_2020 in the Name Manager dialog box as well as in the name box. Click Close.